Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can charge the E88 air drone remote control. Okay, for this E88 drone, the remote control is rechargeable, so it's different from the E99 that it used the output battery. Okay, so you can see the Type-C connection here to charge the battery. We got the charger cable attached from the Type-C charger like this, but I need to use the longer cable, so I'm using my Type-C connection from my phone, and now we're gonna connect it. Okay, when you charge the remote control, you can see the red light appear on the remote. Okay, after it fully charged, the red light will disappear. Okay, so that's simple like this. For the people who just want to know this kind of drone, we not gonna use another output battery. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can charge the E88 air drone remote control. I hope this video will give you some information, and now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.